good ideas are common. What's uncommon is that people who will work hard enough to bring them about. It was an event in which future engineers of the country got a platform to show their innovative ideas and prove their passion towards the society. Each and every person in the group gave in their 110%. I'm sure the event did make all the productive minds quite socially active. All it took them was two group meetings to understand the whole concept of sociotech and work on their projects accordingly. We were not only exposed to new and innovative ideas, but we got the chance to interact with members of different engineering fields.
During this tenure, I got to interact with a lot of volunteers, which were basically project groups, and had a chance to discuss their project ideas with them. There were a lot of interesting projects with so much potential. It was a wonderful sight to see our engineers use their domain knowledge for something that is much bigger than themselves. My activity heads and mentors have also been really helpful to me in guiding me through whatever situations that came my way. All in all, it was a wonderful experience.
Sociotech activity was a nice opportunity and a great experience to work as a coordinator with experienced seniors and mentors. This activity has provided a great platform for students to present their ideas. Volunteers have come up with really great and helpful project ideas to help society. Mentors have also guided them well in their project.
Firstly, I would like to thank the Social Welfare and Development team of VIT Pune for giving us a chance to serve the society through their Sociotech activity. It is great as a group to be selected in the Sociotech activity. Also, I would like to thank and appreciate the efforts which were taken by the Sociotech team, their coordinators as well as the mentors. They helped us in various phases of our project. It was great to be a part of Sociotech activity.
Sociotech has been one of the best technical experiences I had so far. Now, this activity helped me to discover new technologies which will be indirectly used for the welfare of the people. And also, thank you to the Social Welfare and Development Committee who organizes the GP2 activities and which helps to contribute charity, connecting charity with technology, and promoting the students to contribute more in future also.
It was really a good experience, and our group worked on a project called Nursing Bot, and by the end of the project I got to learn a lot of new things and a lot of different things. The coordinators of this event handled this whole activity flawlessly. Overall, it was a really great experience to have.
These activities help us in thinking beyond our books and search for the problems and their solutions required in the society. This activity was very well conducted by our seniors. They took regular follow-ups and helped us whenever necessary. I hope that this activity continues for upcoming years too, and we as a student get an opportunity to contribute society.
We learned many new things like team spirit, creativity, and we could imagine new innovative ideas, and we implemented our best in our project. Mentor Arya Gundavar was really helpful. She was polite, and talking about the mentors who reviewed our project, they made us look into wider perspective to think more on ideas which are helpful for the society. We were able to think on the marketing strategies like how to sell our product in low cost, which will help the society.
This activity has given us a great opportunity to present our idea and work on the project for the social cause. We have gained a great deal of knowledge in circuit and mechanical fields. It gives me immense pleasure to say that our project will have a great use in future after its completion. During this activity, we have received a lot of help from the coordinators and seniors, through which we could clear certain problems in our project. We are happy that this opportunity was given to us, through which we could help people, and hope we can continue this in future too. Thank you.